Nothing like North Haven or Christmas. First time here?
I grew up here.
Welcome home, my world traveler. Annie Blake.
Dylan Hawks? I haven't seen you since high school.
What are you doing here?
I want to foster a dog.
Oh, hey, buddy.
I'll take all three.
Seriously?
I need everything if I'm going to get them adopted in 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah, that's how long I'm home for the holidays.
Would you like to adopt a dog?
You're working so hard. It's Christmas time.
I just want to find the perfect home for these dogs.
You want this little dog to help you herd sheep. You think a dog will help you meet girls?
So, how are the adoptions going?
Great.
Remy?
Stop it.
You're getting attached. You know, you can always adopt them.
I can't. I've never lived in one place for longer than 6 months.
I just got a call from the county. Gave me until Christmas Eve to adopt the dogs and cats, or they're gonna come get them.
We can't let that happen. You need an event to get the dogs adopted.
A Christmas event.
Well,
You keep a list of Christmas events in your pocket?
I thought this was a safe space, Annie.
This is your moment.
You two friends now?
Yeah.
He is adorable and single.
I can hear you, you know.
This is your moment to shine, to shine, to shine.
Christmas time in small towns. There's really no better combination.
This is your moment. It's where your life begins.
You love food. You hate food. And you like Christmas ornaments.